This new game called MECCHA Chameleon is going absolutely viral right now, and since Claude just re-released their Fable 5 model, I'm going to be putting it to the ultimate test and seeing if it can build MECCHA Chameleon in just 1 hour. Alright guys, so I just threw us into Claude. I'm going to quickly start this timer, and before we do anything, I'll throw this into Ultra Code. Alright, now for the prompt, I'm going to quickly cook something up, and I'll see you guys when that's finished. Alright, so our prompt is finished up, and I think it looks pretty good. I let Claude know it only has 1 hour to complete this, and it's a single-player game where I can play as the Seeker or the Hider against bots, and I paint myself to camouflage in, so hopefully this looks pretty good, but if not, we still have the full hour to update this until we get it somewhere solid. So I'll see you guys when this game is complete. Alright guys, so Claude's first version just finished up, and already this looks pretty decent, I'd say. We have Hider, Seeker, we get difficulty levels, and then some maps. I'll just keep this on the default settings and hop right in. Okay, the Seeker's gone. This map looks pretty terrible to start, but we have plenty of time to improve this. Can I scale the walls? Okay, I can, but I can't even stick to it. Okay, let's try blending in. Looks like I have some different poses. So 2, 3, 4. Okay, I gotta blend myself in. If I click C, and then we have a color selector, nice. Okay, it says I'm only blended 44% there at the bottom. So this color selector doesn't work at all. I'm gonna find somewhere else to hide. Let's go to this red thing. I think the biggest critique I have so far is in the real game, you're supposed to paint yourself so you can blend in. Like these colors are terrible because I can't even blend into the actual map. And the map's also so basic looking. Okay, this guy's definitely gonna find me. All right. Okay, so I have a lot of fixes. I think the first thing I'm going to do is see if I can fix these characters up. I want to make sure I can actually fix the palette. And if you scale a wall, you should be able to actually stick on the wall. But yeah, I guess without wasting any more time, I'm going to make those changes and I'll see you guys once that version is complete.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so the next version's done and we still have 20 minutes, so I think we can get one more update in. But looking at it, it looks pretty similar already. I made sure to ask it for new maps, so hopefully these look half decent, but I'm going to hop right in and we'll see if it actually made the fixes we were looking for. Alright, I mean, right off the bat, this map actually looks pretty decent. Let's see. It's very small, though. Like in the real game, I think there's multiple rooms. Let's see, can I scale the wall and hang on, though? No, still can't. Okay. Let's look at the poses. I think the poses got worse. Like, what is this? 2 seconds left to hide. I gotta figure this out. Oh, I'm gonna go over here. Hopefully they don't find me. What? Okay. Alright. Color picker. White. Done. Oh, I can fill all. Did I get in time? I might be good. I don't think he sees me. Oh, there goes my screen. No way that worked. I mean, these bots are actually bots. This dude knows I'm here, but he can't prove it. Alright. I think what I want to fix is these characters. I should be able to scale the walls, definitely blend in with objects. Like, right now my dude is sitting at this crazy angle. Okay, got found. I'm sitting at some crazy angle. Okay, we have other maps. Yeah, so I'm going to see if I can make these maps, like, better, or at least add more rooms to them. I'm going to see if I can make the bots, like, better and more sort of realistic. And then I also want to try putting us into the actual Seeker mode. So before we get into our next update, I'm going to do that. But let's try hiding one more time. Can I climb? Like, what is this? I'm just climbing straight up the wall. Let's see if I can leave the map. Alright, the Seekers are awake. What? Alright, let's go up here. I think I want to also give these guys shotguns. Because in the real game, they shoot me. Like, they wouldn't just tag me. Let's try blending into here. Okay. Oh, when I click to paint, it goes in front of me. So if I'm on a wall like that, I just can't see myself. This guy's coming to me. Let's quickly hide here. I have a whistle coming in 1 second. Oh, they know. They know. They know. They know. Okay. What the hell? Ah, he got me. Okay. I'm going to jump in as a Seeker and see if these bots are any good at hiding. Okay, so now I'm a Seeker. Let's see. Alright, let's go get him. He's just floating around the map. Dude, pick your spot. It's quite the spot. Okay. There's this glitch where whenever I climb and just start jumping, I go backwards. So I gotta fix that. Let's tag this guy. Do I just click him? Nope. There's definitely a guy here. Okay, I got him. There we are. Let's see. Bro, why are these guys moving? These guys are terrible at the game. Okay. And then you got these two guys. Honestly, decent effort. I need to make it so the characters can actually go like against the wall and almost be in the wall. Because like, this is terrible. And you can't even scale the wall. Let's grab this guy. Oh, I can sprint if I hold shift. Let's get this last guy here. All right, looks like we have a lot of updating to go. We have around 20 minutes left, so this should be our final update, but I'm hoping we can make a lot of changes here to completely fix this game, because as you guys can see, these hiding bots are not the best. So I will see you guys when the final update's done, but I'm looking forward to seeing what Claude can pull off. All right, guys, we just hit the hour mark, and our final version's done. I asked it to fix the maps again and make the bots better. And I think the most important thing is actually being able to paint yourself. So let's see if Claude actually fixed what I was looking for. Okay, right off the bat, I see that it gave the characters guns, and this map actually looks pretty good. This update was by far probably the best update. The character's a little different now, but let's see if I can scale the wall. Oh, I can. All right, let's try painting. Okay, color select. I assume this won't work per usual. Okay, let's make the size bigger. Okay, the paint feature's still off a little bit. Can I customize this? Oh, the seekers are awake. I gotta move quick here. Let's go up. Looks pretty good. Okay, not bad. I think I can do that a little bit better. Should be maybe a little lighter. Oh yeah, that's money. Okay, now we'll click done. And I also added it so you could click L and you can now scout. So like, let's see, where are the seekers at? They're just walking around with the shotguns. Oh, they hear me. Okay, where are they? Camera's glitching a little bit. They're coming to me. There's no way they see me. I'm hiding pretty good there. Oh, he knows. He knows. Okay. I guess my hiding spot wasn't too good. I'm going to pick one more hiding spot and try to be a little more creative here. I think if I hide on like this red mat here and I lie down. Wait, let's see how the poses look. What is that? Looks like my dude's crying. All right, now 3. Okay, that's not bad. Now we got to paint this. Okay. The auto-selected color is actually not bad at all. I'm going to stick with this. I think this could definitely work. The only problem is my guy whistles every like couple seconds, and then they just know where I am. Oh, they're coming. I hope I didn't miss anything. Let's just keep going here. Make sure we're all covered. Okay. I think we're in good shape. Now let's go into free view and move around. Let's check out this map. Honestly, giving like in 1 hour, Claude being able to make like almost a fully functioning game just like MECCHA Chameleon, I'm very impressed. Okay, we just whistled. Let's see if they find me. One dude might know. This guy looks like he... Oh, jeez. There's no way. My spot is money. I don't think these guys are finding me. I also do not want to make you guys wait this full 80 seconds, so I'm going to jump into being the Seeker and see if the bots actually know how to hide now. Okay, guys, we are in now as a Seeker, and it looks like I have a shotgun. Let's try shooting this thing. Wow. You know, that's actually not bad. It's like a paint gun here. Let's see if these bots can hide. So we have 2 rooms here. It looks like... I think they're going to whistle pretty soon. Oh, man, we're climbing. Looks like the climb glitch never got fixed. You know, honestly, just sort of analyzing this here, I think the aesthetic is super clean. Like, I think it would have been hard to ask Claude... Bro. Dude's just moving around. Dude, your spot was pretty good back there. Where are you going? Okay. Let's watch this guy color himself in live. Okay. It's honestly not too bad. Looks like he tried to get the green in there, but we're gonna shoot him. I love this gun now. Let's try finding the other guys. Bro. How did you get back here? See you later. What? There's no way. Let's go up here. I'm getting this guy. Okay, looks like this guy's just gonna win. I can't kill him. Let's see where the other dudes are at. I think I made them too good at hiding accidentally. Oh, maybe I can get him from back here. Can I go in there? No, can't. Let's climb up the wall. Okay, that's not gonna work. Get me off. Okay. Let's see where the other bots are hiding. Bro, right in the doorway? There's not a good spot. Okay, we still got 3 left. This map's actually not bad. It's just weird because when you're up here, you can just see through the ceiling. Oh, okay. This spot's not bad. You just got like a little color on him. Gives it away. Let's see. Where are the remaining? I think there's 1 or 2 left. We already know where one of them is, but we just can't get him. Let's see. I hear him over here somewhere. Did I just walk by him like at the start? I bet you he's just stuck inside of like one of these things and we'll just never know. Unless I just completely walked over him. That would be pretty bad. Okay, oh, 4 seconds. I'm about to lose to the bots. Let's try one more round. I want to see if these guys can get any good spots. Can't believe I just lost them. All right, new map here. This map's pretty mid. It's just one room. So I'm going to quickly speedrun and try to find all these guys. And then I'm going to skip to the next map because I don't think we ever seen what the third map looks like. Bro, there's always one last bot that's just completely hidden. I bet you he's in this box here. I know it, but I can't prove it. I hear it though. Like, right there. Okay. Let's wait for the whistle and see if we can hear him again. Is there anything I could do? Dude, he's in here. I know it. Alright, whatever. I guess the bots win again, but I'm excited to see this final map here. Let's see, how far can I climb out of this map if I try? So I go up. If I click space, I can just fly. Okay, I guess I could just bounce back and forth between the walls. It's interesting. That dude is definitely in here. Unless I'm an idiot and he's just like hiding against the wall somewhere. Okay. There's no way. Where is this guy? He's right in here. I know it. Okay, 10 seconds left. This guy wins. But let's see how this final map looks. I'm pretty optimistic. This second map here is not that great, but it should show where they are at the end. If I had one more update, I would definitely do that. Okay, we're in the final map now. I think we already played this. This might have just been the first map, but I think I have it set to random. Let's see if we can find these guys quick. But let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to make a continuation of this and see how close I can get it to the real game, given like unlimited time. Bro, are we joking? These guys love just sticking themselves in places I can't get them. Like, bro, there's nothing I can do. Should have shot them earlier. Okay. Let's see if the other guys have half decent spots or not. Okay, right on the bed. Nice. Also, just quick note, guys. I spend so much money on tokens to make this video possible because Fable 5 is expensive. So it would be amazing if you guys could leave a like, hit subscribe, because I'm going to be posting as much as I can before Fable 5 inevitably gets vaulted again by our government. All right, whatever. I give up. These bots win. I think all the rest of the bots are just stuck inside of like walls and stuff where I can't shoot them. So I'm going to end this challenge here. But thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.